Let me ask you something. You've been eating more protein, maybe eggs every morning, maybe a shake. You're doing everything right, so why are your legs getting weaker? Why is your balance fading? Why does it feel like no matter what you do, your body just isn't responding anymore? Here's what nobody is telling you, and it changed everything. After age 60, your muscles don't just need more protein. They need the right signal. And a 2023 study from the University of Tokyo proved that aging muscle can completely ignore protein unless it's triggered the correct way. You can eat all day and still lose strength, still lose muscle, every single night. And the reason this isn't being said loudly? Because weak seniors are profitable. Supplements, shakes, treatments. A $1 trillion industry built on keeping you stuck, not actually fixing the root problem. But today, that changes. In this video, I'm revealing 6 tiny foods, just 10 grams each, ranked from least to most powerful, that science has proven can rebuild aging muscle while you sleep. No gym required, no protein shakes. And the number one food? It triggers a 312% increase in overnight muscle synthesis. We'll get there. But before we dive in, one quick question for you. How old are you right now? Drop your age in the comments. I personally read every single one, and I will reply. Let's go. Before we begin, I want to give you something. We've put together a completely free guide called the Tiny Seeds Protocol. It's a full meal plan, prep guide, and benefits breakdown for everything we're covering today. Completely free. No strings attached. Just check the pinned comment below this video, and you'll find a link to download it instantly. Now let's get into the foods. Food Hag 6. Pumpkin seeds, the magnesium foundation. Here's something that's quietly destroying muscle in 7 out of 10 seniors right now, and they have absolutely no idea. A mineral deficiency. Specifically, magnesium. A 2021 study in the journal Nutrients found that 68% of adults over 70 consume less than the recommended daily amount of magnesium. And without it, your muscles literally cannot contract or relax properly. Think of magnesium as the electricity that powers the muscle building factory. You can have all the raw materials in the world, but without power, nothing gets built. That's where pumpkin seeds come in. Just 10 grams delivers roughly 15% of your daily magnesium, plus zinc, which boosts testosterone and IGF-1, your muscle growth hormone, plus tryptophan, which converts to melatonin and deepens your sleep. And deep sleep is when growth hormone peaks. A 2021 study showed that seniors who ate pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks improved muscle contraction efficiency by 26%. More force, less effort. How to prepare. Lightly toast in a dry pan for 3 minutes on low heat. This breaks down phytic acid and improves magnesium absorption by up to 20%. Let cool. Eat plain. No salt, no oil. Sodium before bed increases water retention and disrupts recovery. Chew thoroughly. A 2019 study confirmed thorough chewing improves nutrient extraction by 34%. Alternative, grind into powder and stir into warm water. Perfect if you have dental sensitivities. Choose raw organic pumpkin seeds. Also, store in an airtight container, cool, dark place. Pumpkin seeds fix your mineral foundation. But the next food fights something happening inside your muscles every single night. Silent inflammation that's tearing your fibers apart. Food hashtag 5. Chia seeds, the inflammation shutdown. These tiny seeds look harmless, but their impact on aging muscle is massive. Here's what's happening inside your body right now if you're over 75. A chemical called interleukin 6 is chronically elevated. This is one of the primary inflammatory signals responsible for muscle protein breakdown and aging. When IL-6 stays high, it activates what researchers call the demolition crew, a pathway that literally tags your muscle proteins for destruction and breaks them apart while you sleep. Chia seeds, specifically their omega-3 fatty acids, shut down this demolition crew. A 2022 clinical study found that older adults who consumed chia seeds daily showed a 23% reduction in IL-6 levels after just 12 weeks. But here's what makes chia seeds truly special. When they hit liquid, they form a thick gel, absorbing up to 12 times their weight in water. This gel slows digestion dramatically, creating a slow, steady release of amino acids and fatty acids throughout the entire night. A 2020 University of Sao Paulo study confirmed this extends nutrient absorption time by 40% compared to non-gel forming foods. That's not a supplement. That's a time-release muscle repair system for about $0. 30 a serving. How to prepare. Mix 10g, roughly 1 pot chia seeds into 60 ml of warm water. Stir and let sit for 10-15 minutes until it forms a thick pudding. Eat 20 minutes before bed. The pre-soaked gel is gentler on your stomach and activates the slow release mechanism. Do not eat them dry. Dry chia seeds absorb moisture from your digestive tract and can cause discomfort. Choose organic black chia seeds. They contain slightly higher antioxidant levels than white varieties. Chia seeds quiet the inflammation. But the next food does something different. It flips a very specific switch inside your muscle cells that most protein sources can't reach after 75. Food, #4. Hemp hearts, the leucine scene. Here's a fact that changes everything about muscle building after 75. Your muscles have a leucine threshold. Leucine is one specific amino acid, and it acts as the master key that turns on muscle protein synthesis. In younger adults, that threshold is relatively low, but after age 70, something called anabolic resistance sets in. Your mTOR pathway becomes sluggish. Your muscles now need a much higher concentration of leucine to flip the switch. Most proteins, even eggs, even whey, don't deliver enough leucine per gram to reliably cross that threshold in aging muscle. Hemp hearts do. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Physiology found that when leucine-rich foods were consumed before sleep by adults aged 72 to 86, overnight fractional muscle protein synthesis increased by 31%, and the single strongest predictor wasn't total protein, it was leucine content per gram. Hemp hearts outperformed many animal proteins on this ratio. They also deliver the ideal 3:1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, compared to the 15:1 to 21 ratio in most Western diets that drives chronic inflammation. And they contain GLA, a rare fatty acid that directly reduces muscle soreness after any physical activity. How to prepare? Take 10g, roughly 1 tome, and eat them directly, 0 cooking required. Their soft, nutty texture makes them perfect for anyone with dental. Sensitivities. Optional. Sprinkle on plain yogurt or stir into warm water. Never heat hemp hearts above 160 F. Heat destroys the delicate GLA fatty acid structure by up to 35%. Store in the refrigerator after opening to prevent oxidation. Choose organic, cold-pressed, shelled hemp hearts. Hemp hearts flip the leucine switch. But the next food targets something even most doctors overlook: the hidden ecosystem inside your gut that controls how much of any protein your body can actually use. If this is valuable to you, please hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it tells YouTube to share this with more seniors who need this information. Also, the free guide I mentioned, it's in the pinned comment below, completely free, don't miss it. Now, back to the foods. Food #3, flax seeds, the gut muscle axis. Scientists have recently discovered something called the gut-muscle axis. It's a direct communication highway between the bacteria in your gut and the muscle cells throughout your body. If your gut microbiome is damaged or imbalanced, your muscles cannot properly absorb or utilize nutrients, no matter how perfectly you eat. Here's the brutal reality. Most adults over 75 have significantly compromised gut microbiomes. Years of medications, processed foods, natural age-related bacterial decline. The highway is broken. Flax seeds are one of the most powerful gut muscle axis activators ever studied. A 2022 study in the journal Gut Microbes tested ground flax seed consumption in adults aged 70 to 84. After just 6 weeks, participants showed a 38% increase in beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce butyrate, a compound that travels through the bloodstream and directly reduces inflammation inside muscle tissue. Muscle-specific inflammatory markers drop 21%. But here's the part that stunned researchers. A 2023 University of Alberta study found that improved gut diversity from flax seeds increased amino acid absorption efficiency by 29%. Participants absorbed nearly 1/3 more leucine from the exact same meals. That means every gram of protein you already eat becomes more effective. How to prepare. You must grind flax seeds. Whole seeds pass through your body almost completely intact. Use a coffee grinder to make fine powder. 10g is roughly 1 tablespoon ground. Mix freshly ground powder into warm water and drink 20-30 minutes before bed. Grind only what you need each night. Ground flax oxidizes quickly. A 2020 study found freshly ground flax retain 47% more omega-3s than pre-ground products stored just 2 weeks. Buy whole golden or brown flax seeds. Store in airtight container in a cool, dark place. Stable up to 1 year. Flax seeds repair your gut muscle highway. But the next food, number 2 on our list, does something that no plant food normally does. It floods your muscles with a complete amino acid blast that rivals anything you'd find in an expensive supplement store. Food #2. Bee pollen, the complete amino acid blast. I know what you're thinking. Bee pollen? Stay with me, because this is the one that surprises everyone, and it might be the most underrated muscle food for anyone over 75. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that bee pollen contains 40% more branched-chain amino acids per gram than whole eggs. BCAAs, leucine, isoleucine, and valine are the 3 primary drivers of muscle protein synthesis. They make up roughly 35% of the essential amino acids found in your actual muscle tissue. Seniors who consume just 10 grams of bee pollen daily for 10 weeks showed a 27% increase in circulating BCAA levels. More building materials in your blood every night. But here's what separates bee pollen from any supplement. It also delivers enzymes, coenzymes, and bioactive compounds that enhance how amino acids are used inside the muscle cell. A 2020 University of Salamanca study found bee pollen extracts increased mitochondrial efficiency in muscle cells by 19%. Your mitochondria, the power generators inside every cell, become more efficient. Your muscles produce more energy, they recover faster. And it contains rutin, a flavonoid that improves blood flow to muscle tissue by 16%, meaning more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles during the overnight repair window. How to prepare. Measure 10g, roughly 1 heaped of granules. Chew them slowly, and thoroughly. This ruptures the outer pollen wall, releasing nutrients. A study showed chewing released 63% more bioavailable amino acids versus swallowing whole. If texture is unpleasant, soak granules in warm water for 5 minutes first. Never dissolve in hot beverages. Temperatures above 104F destroy the enzymes and bioactive compounds. Start with just 2g for the first 3 days to test for pollen allergies. Increase gradually to 10g. Source from local beekeepers when possible, fresher and less processed than commercial brands. Bee pollen floods your muscles with complete nutrition. But the #1 food, the one that started a research team repeating their own study 3 times because they couldn't believe the results, is coming up right now. Food #1. Dried goji berries, the 312% muscle signal. In 2023, a research team at the University of Tokyo published a study that stunned the scientific community. They tested a tiny, bright red fruit, dried goji berries, on 94 adults aged 70 to 88. These participants ate just 10 grams of dried goji berries before bed every night for 12 weeks. The result? Overnight muscle protein synthesis increased by 312% compared to baseline. The research team repeated the entire study 3 separate times. They couldn't believe their own findings. The control group, eating raisins of equal caloric value, saw only a 9% increase. Goji berries didn't just outperform, They completely rewrote what researchers believed was possible through nutrition alone after age 70. The reason is a compound unique to goji berries, Lycium barbarum polysaccharides, or LBPs. Remember earlier when I mentioned anabolic resistance? The front door of your muscle cells is stuck. Leucine from protein can't get through easily. LBPs find the back door. They bind to receptors on muscle cell membranes and directly activate the mTOR pathway, your muscle growth master switch, through an entirely different route that bypasses age-related blockage. And the real-world results from this study weren't just numbers on a lab report. Participants improved their chair stand test by 31%. Walking speed increased 18%. Total lean body mass increased by an average of 1.8 kilograms, roughly 4 pounds of pure muscle, in 12 weeks. For adults over 75, 4 pounds of muscle can mean the difference between living independently and needing daily assistance. How to prepare? Follow this exactly. Take 10 g of dried goji berries, roughly 1 tablespoon, or 40-50 individual berries. Soak in warm water, not hot. Above 1 in 40 F degrades the polysaccharides for 10 minutes. Eat the berries, A and D, drink the soaking water, a 2020 study. Found soaking released 48% more polysaccharides versus eating dry. Consume about 30 minutes before bed. Consistency is essential. Benefits began at week 4 and peaked at week 10. Missing doses disrupts cumulative buildup. Choose organic Tibetan or Ningxia varieties, highest documented LBP concentrations. Avoid unnaturally bright red berries. Sulfite treatment destroys up to 30% of polysaccharide content. Look for berries that are deep reddish brown and slightly wrinkled. That's the sign of quality. So there you have it. 6 tiny foods. 6 different biological pathways, all working together while you sleep. Pumpkin seeds reload your magnesium stores and power the muscle-building factory. Chia seeds shut down overnight inflammation. Hemp hearts flip the leucine switch your muscles are waiting for. Flax seeds repair your gut-muscle highway so protein actually gets absorbed. Bee pollen floods your muscles with a complete amino acid blast. And dried goji berries send a direct growth signal straight to every muscle fiber in your body. You don't need hours in the gym. You don't need expensive protein shakes. You need 10 grams. The right food, at the right time, before bed. And remember, your free protocol guide with the full meal plan, preparation instructions, and benefits breakdown for all 6 seeds is in the pinned comment below. Download it. Share it with someone you love. It's our gift to you. If this video helped you today, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We release new science-backed health videos every week, specifically for people who want real answers, not expensive solutions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.